In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track project management and scheduling in Airtable. We'll start by getting up and running quickly with a template. From your workspace, choose. Start with templates, then select the project tracker under the project management category. This gives you a complete structure with the tables and fields you need, so you're not building from scratch. If you prefer a more tailored setup, you can also use Airtable AI. Describe what you're planning, like build a base for a marketing launch, and it will generate the appropriate tables and fields automatically. Either way, you'll begin with a solid foundation that's ready to adapt to your team's workflow. Next, make sure your core scheduling fields are in place in the tasks table. You'll want a task name field for the activity itself. Add a status field as a single select with options such as to do, in progress, and done, so updates are quick and standardized. Include two date fields, start date and deadline, which form the backbone of your scheduling. Consider enabling time if your work is time sensitive, and keep formats consistent for clear reporting. Add an S&E field using the user type to create ownership and accountability. Finally, set up dependencies as a link to another record in the same tasks table. This lets you connect tasks that rely on one another, making it clear what must finish before something else can begin. A quick tip: test dependencies with a couple of sample tasks to confirm your links are working as expected. With your fields in place, choose a view that makes the schedule easy to track. The Gantt view is perfect for visualizing dependencies and spotting the critical path, the sequence of tasks that directly affects your end date. You can drag bars to adjust durations and immediately see the impact. The timeline view is great for managing team capacity, placing tasks side by side to see who is busy and where there's room to take on more. Use the calendar view for a high-level look at upcoming deadlines across the month or week, helping stakeholders understand what's due and when. And if your team loves visual progress, switch to Kanban to drag tasks across columns and update status in a snap. Remember, the views are powered by your fields, so accurate dates, statuses, assignees, and dependencies will keep every view clear and reliable. That's it. Start with a template, confirm your core fields, and pick the view that matches how your team plans and executes. With these pieces in place, Airtable becomes a dependable hub for tracking project management and scheduling from start to finish.